Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the IR1 visa, specifically from the Kingdom of Thailand, and we're discussing whether or not a couple will need to live separately during the pendency of the case. So while the case is processing, will it be required that the couple live apart? Well, first of all, this hinges on the definition of the word required. So the factual situation of the couple will be determinative on whether or not they will need to be separated while the case is processing. So different clients are going to have different factual circumstances in their case. For example, we see retirees who have to go back to the United States for urgent health reasons, and for that reason, they may have to process one of these cases rather quickly. It may be possible to request an expedite, but in my experience, requesting an expedite still results in a rather prolonged period of time in which the case needs to be processed. The thing to take away from this video, however, is compared to times past, we used to have a local USCIS office here in Bangkok. And Bangkok USCIS closed back in October of 2019. When USCIS was still open here in Bangkok, it was possible to file an I-130, a petition for an IR1 visa, and deal with the entire process here in Thailand. That process, in my experience, generally took 4 to 6 months. Now, due to the caseload back in the United States, because all these cases have to be moved back to the U.S. since USCIS has closed, we're looking at about 12 months, usually, in my experience, give or take, to get one of these cases done. So it's definitely a longer period of time associated with a spouse visa, in this case, an IR1 visa. And for that reason, I think it's more likely, again, depending on the facts of a given couple's case, that the couple may have to spend some period of time away from one another. Separated may be the wrong word, because separated sometimes has a legal connotation. But they're just, the Thai spouse is going to have to remain in Thailand until the visa is processed out, and the American spouse may be required to go back to the United States for various reasons. So the thing to take away from this video is it's certainly possible that if you're seeking an IR1 visa now from Thailand, as opposed to prior to the USCIS local office closure, these days, yeah, a prolonged separation may be in the cards with respect to your specific case. We hope you find our videos insightful. If so, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can receive up-to-date notifications of legal news in Thailand and the United States.